Alright guys, can we restore the 72 vintage camper that I just picked up? It's pretty neato, I can tell you that. Power doesn't work, apparently it works off of the 7-way only, so I gotta build up a wire for that. So hot water, furnace, propane. It's rough around the edges, but overall for a 72, she's pretty solid. 4-burner stove, some vintage cans, water. The worst of it is the rot on the one corner, but other than that, it's pretty solid. I think the coolest part is the old toilet. So stay tuned, I'll make a series of this on this rebuild.